My name is Jessica Port, and I am a sixth-year graduate student in the neuroscience program here at MSU. I also did my undergrad at Michigan State University, and I majored in human biology, and that was in a time before there was a neuroscience major here on campus. I became interested in neuroscience in high school when I had a very influential and good high school science teacher. We were opening a new wing of the science department, and I did a lot with the new equipment there, and I helped a lot to set up the new wing. And probably one of my most memorable experiences was doing dissections on the rats for the AP biology class, and I really, really enjoyed it. I probably started doing neuroscience things when I just started reading and realizing how much I enjoyed learning about the brain and everything that it does for us and for our bodies.
I really liked MSU. I met a lot of faculty and current students during interview weekend, and I just found this school to be so collaborative, and all the labs in the program are very in touch with each other, and you can borrow each other's equipment and can go to any labs for other ideas or questions. And since I've been here, I actually found myself running into neighboring labs in this building all the time to borrow equipment and supplies and even ask students questions whenever I come across them.
I find that it's really quite interesting and intellectually stimulating. Not to say that there aren't monotonous aspects of it. I mean, anyone who has pipetted a given volume into 200 different tubes, one after the other, realizes that it's not a whole lot of fun, and I can personally vouch for that. But at the same time, doing research is all about finding one really exciting question and then pursuing it through experiments. And so on any given day, I'll come into the lab and decide to do some histology or some cell culturing, or just spend the day reading papers. And I find those possibilities for any given day and those possibilities for pursuing a given question in many different ways is quite liberating and for me very intellectually stimulating.
The research lab that I'm currently working in at MSU studies the role of androgens and testosterone on development in male mice. So we use a variety of knockout models to study some of the behavioral and kind of developmental differences and changes that occur in mice.